Hello and welcome to the Savera. This is Tinkle before you. With Bharatiya Janata Party, the BJP falling short of the majority mark in the Lok Sabha polls, Janata Dal United Chief Nitish Kumar and Telugu Desam Party TDP Chief Chandrababu Naidu have emerged as potential kingmakers. On Wednesday, Rajya Sabha MP Kapil Sibal stated that he hoped the two leaders upheld the values they stood by when they were chief ministers. In a media interaction, Kapil Sibal said that Nitish Kumar and Chandrababu Naidu have always maintained a federal structure. A few years ago, Naidu ji said that a dictatorial government cannot run, and whatever the ED and CBI are doing without the consent of the states is not acceptable. He said while addressing the media here in the national capital of India in New Delhi. He said that I salute them for upholding those values, and I hope that they will uphold these values that they stood by when they were chief ministers, he added. The counting of the 2024 Lok Sabha elections was held on Tuesday, that is on June 4, and according to the Election Commission of India, the BJP won 240 seats on its own, much lower than its 2019 tally of 303. The Congress, on the other hand, registered a strong growth, winning 99 seats. The India bloc crossed the 230 mark, posing a stiff competition and defying all the predictions that were made as part of exit polls. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has secured a third term, but the BJP will need the support of other parties in this coalition, primarily of the JDU chief, that is Nitish Kumar, and TDP chief Chandrababu Naidu. In Bihar, the JDU secured 12 seats, while Naidu's TDP won 16 seats in the Andhra Pradesh Lok Sabha polls. Meanwhile, the TDP chief has extended support to the Bharatiya Janata Party and affirmed that he is a part of NDA, the National Democratic Alliance. He said, and I quote, "I have seen so many political changes in the country and I am in NDA. I'm going to the NDA meeting. If there is anything else, we will report to you." Naidu said while extending his support to the National Democratic Alliance while addressing a press conference in Vijayawada. Janata Dal United Chief Nitish Kumar, who coincidentally was on the same flight to Delhi as RJD's Tejasvi Yadav, is also expected to submit a letter of support to the BJP later on Wednesday. Earlier this year, Kumar jumped his ship to the Bharatiya Janata Party-led NDA owing to disagreements with the RJD, which led to the collapse of government in Bihar. Well, that's all for now. For more major updates, stay tuned to the Savera.